Is this thing on? Testing out my new Rode microphone for my DSLR. Hey, it's me, Michelle Osorio. If you are already subscribed, wow, thanks for watching this video because I have not been posting very much here on my second channel. And if you're new, I am a singer, filmmaker, digital nomad. I travel all around. I'm here in beautiful England, spending several months here thanks to a peculiar lifestyle that I chose to live in the last few years. And I just wanted to talk about where this channel is going. So this was always my secondary channel. I used it as a portfolio of my filmmaking work. Then I used it as a little bit of a travel vlog. Sometimes I would live stream games because that's what my main channel is. I basically write and direct live action video game web series, or I make music videos about bringing video games to life or Disney to life. But I wanted to do more with this channel. I decided that I'm going to serve the community more. I've been a little quiet on YouTube, but I'm going to be revamping on both channels, doing more work. And what I've been doing with my time is a lot of live streaming. I grew my live streaming from, 3,000 to 134,000 followers, and was able to make enough to pay the rent with my live streaming, mostly from singing, but also doing giveaways and a lot of things I learned that I hope to start sharing on this YouTube channel. And I also grew my Instagram from 2,000 to 24,000, and I grew a second Instagram channel from nothing to, I think I'm almost at 16,000 followers, and I'm making money on both of those Instagrams. I'm not rich by any means, but I get a lot of questions. People have been asking me lately, my friends, people on these social platforms, they've been asking a lot just about how to do it, how to have a side hustle as a creative, or how to be able to have a full-time job, or be able to travel like I'm able to travel. I have a lot of freedom, and I want to answer all those questions. So I think that's my calling. I've been answering all these people's questions on the long essays on Facebook Messenger or wherever people ask me these questions. And I realized what I should be doing is answering these questions on video so that more people can benefit from it, and hopefully more people can ditch the chains that they put themselves in, where they think that they can't live a life like this, where they can just go on a walk on a Monday and just enjoy nature and do all their work online. It's totally doable, especially if you have a talent. That's mostly what I'm going to focus on. Hopefully you're a creative if you're listening, a singer, a filmmaker, an artist. But even if you're not, if you own a business, as long as there's some creative aspect to it, I hope that I can help you. So that's what this channel is going to be about. If you're a previous subscriber and you mostly just wanted to see the stuff I make, you didn't really care about being a creative yourself or how to thrive in that, don't worry, just make sure you subscribe to my other channel. Just look for my name, Michelle Osorio. It's the one with all the fun music and the web series with multiple episodes, that sort of thing. If you're still hanging on and still watching right now, which is kind of amazing because this is just a little bit of a ramble video, mostly to test my equipment and let you all know what's happening with this channel, well, consider subscribing and hitting that notification button, because I will be talking a lot about how I grew on Instagram, how I grew on a live streaming app with my creative talents, my singing, my camera skills, and how that led to more work. I've been paid not only in brand deals on Instagram, but I've also been paid to create content for other apps. Companies they seek me out and ask me to make content for their apps and pay me to do that too. So there's all sorts of creative ways that you can leverage your talent to do whatever you want, to travel, to make money, either full-time or part-time. And I'm hoping that that's what I can do on this channel. I'm going to be calling it Dare to Dream School. You may have noticed I already changed the branding on the channel. And I have high hopes that together we can really go places. I'll share with you how I'm growing on my channels and my efforts, my goals, and then we'll see how it'll go. It'll be accountability for me as well. And I'll help you grow in your platforms. Whatever your goals are, let me know in the comments, and I will see if I can help you get there. All right, so Dare to Dream School. I like the name. What do you think of it? And my main channel, I rebranded it as Dare to Dreamer. So I figured that's kind of what we are. You know, we want to ditch the idea of just sticking to a 9 to 5 forever, being able to see the world, being able to have creative freedom and not just have something as a hobby, be able to make money from it so that we can do more of it to move the world. And so, yeah, if you're interested in being a Dare to Dreamer, you want to start taking this seriously and grow with me, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.